Hey guys, it's Ram from Gadget Pilipinas and we're here at the Iron Meets Wood 6th Anniversary Key Meets 2025. Medyo full siya, pero andito yung mga collectors, mga fans ng mga keyboards, they're all here. Check it out. Okay, we're here at the ASUS Republic of Gamers booth. We're here with
Ellie.
Anong role mo, sir?
Yeah, Tech PR ng ASUS ROG.
Isa lang tanong ko, anong marirecommend mong product dito sa Iron Meets Wood 6th Anniversary Key Meet?
Okay, actually we have a lot of products here, especially keyboards, which are our display. So if you are looking for a keyboard, we have here some of our new products such as the ROG Falcata. Yun yung pinaka-first na 75% split keyboard natin. And then also we have the ROG Azot Extreme. And lastly is yung ating ROG Azot X. So for recommendations, syempre ROG Azot Extreme. Yan. And then if you are onto yung mga split keyboards yan, Falcata tayo, which is the new one.
Andito naman tayo sa M-Choose booth. Let's talk to
Kaylee.
What's your role sa M-Choose?
I'm part of DynaQuest and we handle M-Choose in the Philippines.
What would you recommend out of your many keyboards here in?
I think the one I would recommend the most is this one, the GX87. This is the GX87S. This is the keyboard that's compatible with the M-Choose driver, and it has a full CNC aluminum body, and it retails for 5,750 normally, but today we're offering it at a discounted price of 5,350 for full CNC aluminum body.
Next up naman, nandito tayo sa Rotobox. Of course, you know, they sell a lot of accessories and of course keyboards. Sir, what's your name?
Kenneth, sir.
Kenneth.
Meron tayo pinakabagong labas ni Pulsar, sir, ito. Pulsar ESHE70 na ANSI po.
ANSI.
Kung baga ano siya, sir, 70% layout na with arrow keys din po siya. Kumbaga parang aluminum din naman siya, totally, sir, lahat. Tapos, etong gilid niya is OLED screen siya. Kumbaga, dito na mismo yung software. Like, dito nyo na po i-modify yung actuation niya per case, yung ano. Rapid trigger din pala siya, sir. Tapos, pero yung price niya, sir, 11,190. Tapos, discounted price kahit 10,500 po last price.
10.5, laki din.
Tapos yung ano naman natin, sir, showroom natin, malapit lang din naman dito. Scout area lang po. 45 Scout Fernandez Corner, Tobias.
We're now here at the Keychron booth. Of course, they have nice keyboards and everything in between. Sir, I'm here with Sir Calvin.
Yeah.
You're what with Keychron?
I'm the business development manager for Keychron Philippines. So we're happy to have you with us today.
Thank you so much. What do you have here with you?
Together with me here is our K2HE model. So this is our latest Hall Effect magnetic keyboard. So this is the new thing in the mechanical keyboard segment right now. We're focusing more on the magnetic Hall Effect feature. So with this, you see it's a very in thing right now, the wooden patterns. You see it everywhere if you're Team Puti or Team Wood.
Yeah.
So definitely, so we're keeping up with the trend. So this one retails at around 9,090. So we're available in our flagship stores in Shopee and Lazada, and as well as in major retailers in the market.
Thank you so much. Nandito naman tayo sa Amaran booth and we're here with
Gio.
What are you with Amaran?
I am the community and social lead of Amaran Philippines, and currently we are at the IMW event 2025. And here at our booth, we showcase our Amaran lights, and especially the newest Amaran Verge Max. It is really made for content creators, mga desktop content creators, kasi it is a you don't need any parabolic anymore kasi it's thin version of light, and it's also soft lighting na also. And it is also para sa mga small spaces. If your desktop is maliit lang, it is really best for you. So yun.
Magkano siya?
Amaran Verge Max is around 16K.
If people are interested to buy it or any of your products, where can they find you?
We are currently available at our local dealers like Camera House, Henry's Cameras, and Shutter Master.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
We're now here in the Anchor booth. Of course, they have many products across power banks, chargers. They even have mirror phones. But we're here with Migs from Anchor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your role in Anchor?
So I'm currently working for Anchor as a channel marketing associate for distribution. So if you're familiar with the stores of, for example, PowerMac, Digital Walker, I handle our representation in those stores. Make sure we sell good and we sell lots. So yeah.
What product out of all of these, there's so much here, do you recommend for people?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I was gonna pick everything, but I would say this is my favorite. This is the Anchor desktop charger, or as I would call it, charging station. It has multiple modes and it has a dial here that you can choose to select the options. For example, we have port prioritization. So we have 4 Type-C ports here and 2 USB-A ports on the side. And then if you switch it, you can also turn on and off different types of ports as well. And if you hold it down, you can also choose to turn it off and on as well. Now, the 2 modes I mentioned was port prioritization. The other one is dual laptop charging. So you can charge as much devices as you want here. It's a heck of a beast for a desk setup. Yeah.
So how much can people get that part?
So this is currently going for $10,995, but right now there is a 30% discount. So
But by right now, you mean today?
today, yes, today.
Yeah.
Exclusively in this event.
Where can people find Anchor?
So you can find us in our website, anchor.ph. You can also check that website for multiple store locations around Metro Manila, also in Cebu and Mindanao. Visayas rather. We also have on Lazada and Shopee, anchor.ph, and Soundcore if you're interested, soundcore.ph as well.
Thanks so much.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Of course, we're here at the Iron Meets Wood booth. Of course, how can we not, talk to Iron Meets Wood at their event? We're here with Cholo. What does this event mean for you and your brand?
So this event really means a lot to us since we're really close to the keyboard community since we started this brand by making wooden wrist back in 2019. So we nag-start yung brand namin from our hobby sa keyboard. Then tsaka kami nag-expand to workspace furniture. So yun, this is our 6th anniversary and I think this is our 3rd keyboard meetup event. So yun, so we're selling workspace furnitures here dito sa booth namin kung makikita nyo. So we have for keyboard collectors, mga artisan trays, organizer tray, tsaka yung endgame table namin.
Paano mo recommend mo sa mga tao?
So if you're looking to set up your own workspace at home or kahit sa office or sa own studio nyo, so I recommend yung endgame table namin. So pwede siyang made from steel and steel bracket frame or fully built wooden frame. So we use solid wood sa mga products namin. So yan, ito yung mga display.
Ano yung price range ng mga tables?
Itong size na to, which is 150 yata, umabot siya ng mga 28,000.
Ayan, ready na ba tayo sa giveaway?
Depende rin sa mga sizes eh.
Thank you, sir. This has been Ram from Gadget Pilipinas here at Iron Meets Wood 6th Anniversary Key Meet 2025. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.